Hello students, today we are going to see one of the most important writing skills, view and counter view. Let's define view and counter view. What is meant by view and counter view? View and counter view is like a debate. Just we know that debate has two sides, one positive side and one negative side. In the same manner, view and counter view has two sides. View means side which is favorable for the topic and counter view means opposite side of that topic. As we know that every coin has two sides. Many social, economical, educational, political issues have views and counter views. It means these all topics have the positive sides as well as negative sides that are called positive views and counter views or views and counter views. Let's examine view. View refers support to a particular point of view or statement. It means view is a side which is a positive side of the topic. Students, let's define counter view. Counter view means an opposite or opposing view of the topic. Counter view is the totally opposite to view. Let's discuss how to write view and counter view. While writing view and counter view, we must keep some points in mind. Points are, first one, it should be written in paragraph form. Whenever we write view or counter view, we must write view or counter view in paragraph format, not point wise. Second point is, it should have a proper beginning and conclusion. While writing positive and negative opinion, we must link our ideas with proper beginning and with proper conclusion. Point number 3, appropriate vocabulary and grammar has to be used. While writing views and counter views, we must use appropriate vocabulary, appropriate words and phrases, along with the correct grammatical structures. One must use tense properly while writing views and counter views. Point number 4, one should express his opinion in simple, lucid language. It means whatever points we are going to write in the favor of the topic or opposite of the topic, we must use very simple and lucid language while writing view and counter view. It means our language must be very easy, one can understand it very easily, as well as it must be very simple. Point number 5, it should be written in logical order. While writing views and counter views, one should link ideas properly or one should write ideas with correct sequence. Point number 6, the language used to support or counter attack should be appealing. Sometimes there would be given views already in question. Whenever we write counter views, we must write them very impressive and they should be opposite to views. Point number 7, the content should be relevant and convincing. One must write appropriate matter, it should be relevant, it should be suitable or convincing to the topic. Point number 8, prove an appropriate title to your view counter view. One must give appropriate title to the views and counter views. It should be suitable for the matter. One example is given here. Let's read the example. Views and counter views topic is the mobile phone, our true friend or foe. Foe means enemy. First we are going to see views. Let's read views. The mobile phone is a means of speedy communication. It saves time and money. It is easy to carry and operate. It is one of the cheapest means of entertainment. You can play games or listen to music. You can send and receive messages, record voice, and take and send and receive pictures. It also acts as a watch and a calculator. It is very useful in case of an emergency. Calling of the family, hospital, or police can be done instantly. Thus, it ensures safety and security. These all are the positive sides of the mobile. Therefore, these are called views. Now let's read counter views. Counter views means opposite to view. The mobile phone has become an addiction. People have begun to depend on it psychologically. They feel restless without it. It is a distraction. Students cannot concentrate on their studies. People cannot even concentrate on a movie in a theater as they keep checking their mobile sets every now and then. It is corroding the intellect. People rely on it more and more, even for tasks like simple calculations. People prefer mobile phones over other activities like face to face communication with family members or physical exercise. It is affecting linguistic capacity. The short forms of words and abrupt contracted sentences are becoming the order of the day. They are thus ruining the English language. The mobile phone is useless for communication if you are out of the coverage area. Just we have seen all negative sides, all negative opinions about mobile. Therefore, these are called counter views. Now I would like to give some questions in assignment for practice. Question is, write counter view to the following. Question number 1. Homework is a burden to the students. Question number 2. Television is a boon. Students, you have to write the answers of given questions by own and write in your classwork. Thank you.